So we're here on the dock, just outside of camp. And across the lake, you can see the other camp. Camp Winna, I forget what it's called, but they're a bunch of jerks. It's just a bunch of rich people. They're jerks. Anyway, they stole the mascot. Jerks.
Hey guys, welcome to Gratuitous Laboratories. We're doing an installation right now of two separate games that include fiber optic walls. Let's head over there and we'll take a look at how this whole thing's done.
All right, so this wall was prepared the same way the other one is. We're actually doing this in two mirror image games. And we're in the process of setting this up right now. These are NeoPixel fireworks that are a clue element. And then the rest of this is all embedded with fiber optics. The way this works is we build the wall, figure out where all the fiber optic pieces are going to go, drill little itty bitty holes through the back of that, poke fiber optic all the way through the front, and all those fiber optic pieces fit into a ferrule. Light engines, fiber optic cable, all that stuff is available on Amazon. I can probably stick a link in the thingy. So they're glued in from the back. Clip them all off about 1 inch long, spray the wall out, and then you come back and you clip each one of them, and that exposes the little fiber optic end of each cable. And I'll show you what the back of this looks like. Because the wall had to be transported in 3 different pieces, there is a pass-through that goes through into each wall section. So then this flanking wall had to be wired up after we showed up.
In this other installation with Matt working on it, you can see just how complex this installation can become. We actually use 3 separate light engines in this case, and one of those light engines is dedicated simply to clue delivery. And that clue delivery, as you can see here, is the twinkling reveal of a horse constellation within this star field. We're currently building a new spaceship, a different style spaceship, using some techniques that you've seen before and a lot of new stuff. This will be installed in November in Valparaiso, Chile. We're going to film the entire build for you and show you everything that we're going to do. All right, so massive spaceship construction to begin now, and stay tuned. We've got videos coming out, and we'll see you soon. Is that terrible?
No, that's perfect.
Yergalem, Berhan, am harinye menagar alchilim. Menagar tinish tinish. The hell was that?